Hi children, welcome to class 11 Health and Physical Education online class. Today we are going to learn about leadership qualities and role of a leader from Unit 6 Physical Activity and Leadership Training. Leadership. First of all, we will learn a definition of leadership. According to Law Perry and Farnoworth, leadership is the behavior that affects the behavior of the people more than their behavior affects that of a leader. Actually, leadership is the ability to intentionally provide positive influences on the lives and behavior of others. The quality of a person to lead others in the various facets of life. Leadership is needed in every profession, including sports. Leadership is the art of influencing people to work together harmoniously in the achievement of professional as well as personal goals. Now we are going to learn about the qualities of a leader. There are 16 qualities given in our textbook. Here we are going to learn about 10 important qualities of a leader. First point is energetic. A leader should be an energetic person. It is the basic requirement for the profession physical education. The second point is friendliness and affection. These qualities are developed through physical education programs and Olympic Games during training and competition. Third point is decisiveness. A leader of physical education and sports should be decisive. The leader has to take decision spontaneously. The fourth point is technically skilled. The leader should be an expert in his field so that he will be a technically skilled person. The fifth point is intelligent. Intelligence is the ability to find out the possible solution for the problems. An intelligent leader is a boon to the field of physical education. Sixth point is teaching skills. The leader should have deep knowledge of various teaching skills. Nowadays, physical education is taught in classroom as a subject. So, the leader should be efficient in various teaching methods. Seventh point is creative. A leader in the physical education department should be creative person. Those leaders can produce new techniques or ideas which are need to the profession. The eighth point is interest in research. No profession can be uplifted without research. Nowadays, many problems are confronting in the field of physical education. The good solution can find out through research only. So, it is very much important the leader will have interest in research. The ninth point is good health. Physical education leader should have good health because such a leader has to work for longer duration without tiredness. The 10th point is dedication and determination. Dedication and determination are important qualities for a leader in the field of physical education. The leader should be devoted to his or her profession. Children, these are the important qualities of a leader. Now we are going to learn 5 important roles of a leader. The first role is structuring the situation. The main role of a leader is structure the situation for the group members. A leader in the field of physical education is focusing on the goal to achieve, observes every situation minutely, especially in tournaments or competition. The leader interprets the complete situation to the members. So, the leader clarifies doubts of the team members all the time. The second role is controlling group behavior. Actually, a physical education leader always tries to minimize of individual behavior that may be against to team members. The leader enforces rules effectively. He will be a very strict person. The leader uses rewards and punishments. A good leader warns the members or player of a team when they perform any indiscipline. Like that, the leader controls his group or team. The third role is speaking for the group. A good leader always a good spokesman and speaks for the group of his team. Leader must be sensitive to the emotion of others. He should be skillful in translating groups' feelings. The fourth role is planning for the group. A leader plans how the team achieves its ends. A leader has a role as a planner so that the successful leader can solve the problems efficiently. Leader has very good knowledge to lay out plan. Physical education leaders make two types of plans. One is short term plan and another one is long term plans. The fifth role of a leader is leader as an exemplar. A good leader inspires the group by his or her quotable examples. A leader sets top norms of conduct, character, and idealism. Unity is also enhanced when a leader performs work wholeheartedly. Children, these are some important roles of a leader. Thank you, children. Have a good day.